To reinstall the rotor and screen frame assembly, we'll come back here, we'll lift this same latch. The entire assembly will be rotated back square to the unit. Once we're in position, you'll notice the latch engages. We'll remove the quick clamp to hold it in place. Then the screen frame assembly can be pushed back into the unit. Take consideration in installing this slowly as to not damage any parts. Once the door is shut, simply reinstall the quick clamps. Ensure that there is a positive click with the limit switch to make sure the door is properly shut, which will allow the unit to turn back on.